Yes, sir.
This is the gin.
No, what are
I'm very happy to be part of it.
Kuya! Kalim! Kuya! Diyan ka na lang sa tabi ni Aaron.
This is your glass, then this is the gin.
Okay.
Well,
Kuya! Kuya Limel, doon ka na lang sa tabi ni Aaron.
You sit.
Yan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sit down now. No. Behave. Don't be makulit.
look.
Oh, makulit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh, you know makulit, huh? This one.
Makulit.
This one is a makulit. Joke.
Joke. Just quiet, not makulit.
Yeah, don't fight. Too much noise.
Ang lupit nitong mag-inom eh.
Isa na sa lagot ko na.
Hindi natigil eh.
Kaya may antok na yan.
Ha?
Kaya bagsak na. Antokin niya.
Yes.
Walang patid ang inom niya. Kaya ang kanya, yung hanggang milaw.
May red wine yan, matigas siya sa red wine. Pero pagdating niya sa San Miguel,
Hindi yan Hindi yan magtaka. Ano to yan may... Hello, I sleep now. Because I'm...
Is that right?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Hito.
Uncle, huh?
Tay pakalong nga.
This one.
Just band.
Husband, what?
Just band.
Oh, seven.
I'm not asking for a ninong, but
This one.
you know him, okay?
Sure, of course.
Meron.
Hito.
This one.
Compadre. Oh, this one.
Comrade.
Snake catcher.
Hindi ka na malilimutan.
Yeah, no, there's gonna be...
How about this one?
Tate.
Tatay.
Atay.
Tatay.
Kuya?
Binad.
Tatay.
I know, tatay.
Alam daw
I'm just joking.
No. Your pronunciation is very bad.
Another picture.
Okay, one more picture. Okay, no more video. One more picture.